Hey, thanks for coming back and checking out my day 2 workout. It's dips, pull-ups, and shoulder press. So I use this apparatus on the wall, and you can see me here moving it from the pull-up position to the dip position, and I really like these bands. I try to do all this as like a circuit, so I do 8 reps of the first exercise, which is the dips. Then I move to 8 reps of the next exercise, which is the pull-ups, and then 8 reps of the shoulder press, and then whatever forearm exercises I'm doing. And that's considered like one loop or one set. And then I go back and do everything for a second set and then a third set. And you can see I use these bands, so when you're doing body weight exercises, it really makes it a lot easier because I'm not strong enough to pull my own body weight or dip with my own body weight. But when I use these bands, it sure is easier. I mean, it's still a good workout, but it makes it a lot easier. So I just try to do these, I guess, 6 or 7 exercises, and I call it day 1 and day 2, but it's not like every single day. But it is definitely like if I go out there and I do day 2 and then I wait 2 days or 1 day, when I go out there I flip that little card and then I do the next day 1 exercises. And then if I get enough energy to go out and do it the next day, then I flip the card and I'm back to whatever was next on the card. So it seems simple, but it really is tough to get out there with the motivation to do it multiple days in a row, especially being old and fat and out of shape. It takes a lot of effort to get out there. But anyway, like I said, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I'll try to keep at it, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. And if you have any questions, and these are all just kind of like starting weights for me. So hopefully the weight is going to continue to go up, but you get the idea. Thanks for watching.
Was that an adjustable span? Good choice, Steve.
Don't forget you're not assisting coach. Who else speaks about